Alright guys, welcome back. It just rained really hard. We're gonna hit some beeline. Hopefully it's not too wet. But there are puddles, which means I'm currently soaked. Gonna get more soaked. That was like not optimal lining, but just a chill lap. Don't wanna crash because I'm currently riding alone since my dad, who's my riding partner, crashed, which is very sad, and I am sad. So I'm gonna try to not ride too intensely, like I just said. Yeah, let's do some beeline. I am on the same bike I was last year. Oh, Ray Riffstone Jr. 2023, 2024. I don't remember. Oh, that's a gap. 26-inch. Smaller, extra small frame. Because I'm a small guy. I don't really want to go on wet rocks because unsafety. Aside from being soaked, I am also coated in a layer of mud. So I'm not feeling wonderful right now. That's a big puddle. I wish I could go a lot faster, but I don't really want to crash. So to get chill. And it's like the third time I said that in this video. I'm not going the right way. I literally didn't see the sign, but this is like the only way to go. I don't know. My memory just went bye-bye. Hit the sick gap. Go a little lower. Like that. Little roller jump thingy. The trail riding fine, except for it being obviously pretty wet. Almost ran over a pretty big rock. Also, my hands are not loving the braking bumps, but I don't know what. There's like not really a butt there. I'm going to rest my hands and keep going on the trail. Alright, time to keep going. Also, another story from Beeline. On the first day we were here, there was like a bear just almost directly on the trail, maybe like a foot away from the trail. I thought I was gonna get like eaten or something, because the bears in movies are obviously, or not obviously, but like, I find them pretty scary, because bear go chomp and human go bumps. But yeah, it was right there. I just passed a spot, but it was just standing there menacingly. And that was a pretty cool experience. So it's a little bit scary. Probably should have taken a little rest right there, but oh well, it's fine. And then we are nearing the end of Beeline. Just a few more jumps and berms, mud, braking bump, water, more water, lots of rocks. My fingers are dying. Whoa. What the mud, very muddy. Whoa. berm, had a massive hole taken out of it. And I am going to rest my, ow, my fingers here. Hit like a big rock and hurt. Alright, time to keep moving along. Hit this line. Got a piece of dirt in my mouth. And it tasted like dirt. Wet dirt. I'm going to stay off the big rock thing in the middle. Maybe take like a more chill line. It is very extremely extra mega super duper. Oh, almost died there. Yeah, it's also very wet. In case I didn't say it already. I know I said it already. Very wet because rain is water and water is wet. Whew. Whew. A little jumpy. We're gonna go this way because Heart of Darkness is the breaking bump capital of the world. I'm gonna take a little break to rest. Guess what? My fingers. Wow, so cool. Alright. Okay. I had like 2-second rest right there. And keep going. Because we're just gonna hit Easy Does It for the rest of the way to the bottom of the mountain. I just went through a big puddle because cool mountain bike puddle splash splash. The good thing is it was also very dry on the first day, so this is gonna make it undry, make it wet. And that turn's always a little sketchy. Actually, no, it's like, that's decently steep. There's some chunk. I would do it if it was not this wet. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, big puddle. My toe is not happy. It's very cold and wet. Like I said, 90 billion trillion times this video. Puddle splash. Now I forgot to wipe these guys off, so hopefully they're not like a big glob of mud, water. Yeah, that was the thing. Beeline to Easy Does It to the bottom of the mountain. They also added this little part over here instead of it just being like flat pedaling. This mini jump. You can't go too fast here. Try not to fall right at the bottom of the mountain. Whoa, a little sketchy right there.